Hello everyone. Today's session is properties of logarithmic functions. Under the properties of logarithm function, I am going to discuss the property number 3, which is the logarithms of division. So let's move into the session. So as you can see on the display, in the property number 3, it is said that the log base a to x divided by y equal to log base a to x minus log base a to y. There are some key points that you need to think about. Look at this base. This here a. All the bases are same on the all the component. Another part, if you want to write down the division part, logarithm division part, you can write down the same logarithm division part by using the individual component subtraction in the logarithm form. It's like this: log base a to x divided by y equal to log base a to same x here minus log base a to same y here. But there's another point that you need to remember, where here x and y both terms are positive. Okay, what is the reason behind that? Because x and y both both variable need to be positive, because logarithm cannot take a negative value inside of that. So first of all, I am going to prove this property number 3 here. Okay, let's see that proof part. Okay, first of all, let's write it down again. Log base a to x divided by y, we can write it down like this: x minus log base a to same a to y. Okay, I am gonna select log base a to x as a capital N, and the same time log base a to y is taken as a capital N. Okay, now I am going to convert this logarithm function into the exponential way. How we can do that? We have previously learned that concept, so I am going to directly use that concept here. We can write it down like this: x equal to a to the power m, and mark as equation number 1. And here we can use that same concept here, such as y equal a to the power n, which marks as equation number 2. So then we need to make the x divided by y. In order to do that, we can do that by using 1 divided by 2. Okay, so in the left hand side of the equation, we can write it down like this: equal a to the power m divided by a to the power n. So as you can see on the display here, both simple a terms are same. Due to that, we can write it down like this: m minus n. Okay, so therefore x divided by y equal to a to the power m minus n. Okay, so now we need to again convert back this exponential function into the logarithmic function. So how we can do that? It's a very simple thing. You can write down like this: log a to the xy equal to the m minus capital N. Okay, but we have already know what is the values of m and n, because here you can see m and n values we already know. So we need to directly substitute these m and n values to this equation. Okay, so m is here log a to the x minus n is what is the value? Log a to the y. So the final answer is look like this. Okay, now this is the one we need to prove. So this is same as that required one. Okay, so I think I have just proved the given concept. So next move to some examples. As for the first example, the example is given as log base n to 6 over k, and asks us to express as a difference of logarithms. So what is the rule behind that one? You have learned that log x divided by y equal to what? Log ax minus log ay. Okay, same a here, all the component. So applying the same concept here, log base is n here. What is the x value here? X is 6 minus log same n here. Okay, this is the one they are asking. Okay, so next move to the next example. In the second example, I am going to delete the first one. Okay, so second example, they ask express as a single logarithm. Okay, we write it down again. Log 2 to the 18 minus log 2 to the 9. So what is the concept behind that? The same concept, division, right? Log a to the x divided by y equal log to the x minus log a to the y. The same concept we need to apply. But in this case, they have given the right hand side of this one. So a is 2, x is 18, y is 9. So simply we need to apply this one. Okay, the answer will be log a is 2, x is 18, y is 9. So the answer will be log 2 to the 2. What is the value? 1. Okay, so it is the same as the previous one but in the reverse manner. So, okay, so I'm going to delete this one as well and move to the third example. In the third example, they given the log 10 to the 1000 minus log 10 to the 100. So here it is, which is the same as the previous one. We need to apply the same concept. Log to the x divided by y equal to log a to the x minus log a to the y. Here you can see base is common here, so we need to apply the same. The given example is in the right hand side of the original equation, so we need to substitute the value to this equation. Simple. So what is the value? 10. What is the x value? X value is 1000 here. No, 10,000. Sorry about that. And y value is 100. So answer will be log power 10 to the 100. Okay, log 10 to the 100 we can write down like this. Now we will get in the another rule here. What is the rule? We have learned that rule in the last session. Okay, rule is log a to the x to the p equal p log a to the x, which is same as here. So according with this equation, we can take the 2 out of in front of the logarithm. 2 log 10 to the 10. So the answer will be, here is, what's the value? It's 1. Here 1. Again the answer will be 2. Okay, so that's up to today. So we will meet in the next session and discuss more example about the logarithms. So thank you very much.